supposed to record this video a couple of months back, I think 2-3 months thereabouts. But then a lot of people were bearish on BTC, so I just had to chill and let whatever it was die down. So here we are. It was a video regarding BTC hitting 60k thereabouts and why I wanted to hit that particular price, what I am looking out for at the moment. So we currently hit an all-time high, should be around 123k thereabouts. That aside, from last year November, where Trump got elected, this was what the price action looked like in November. I can still remember well. So this particular point was when Trump got elected, price spiked up crazily. So I was expecting a push here to fill this particular order block, but it didn't get filled. Now from this point, we have an hobby here. We have another one here. We have another one here. We have another one here. And a lot of people are still like bullish. But then my only question is, how exactly are we supposed to push up? Or how fast do we push up without knowing that we're still going to come down to retest these zones? Because from this point here, we have a clear breakout structure. Yeah, that was supposed to push down more, but then we created a new HTH, which is more like an expansion, right? And when we have an expansion, anything can happen. We can keep pushing up due to the big players, the institutional traders putting huge sums into ETFs. And Ethereum at 3,700 at the moment, it's not really a big deal, I think, considering the fact that it has been down for a while. But then this is still the zone I'm looking at, 60k, because we didn't pick this point and it was a manipulation because Trump got elected, kind of. Yeah, so fundamentally it was bullish. Technically we're supposed to retest this zone, but we expanded and we're yet to touch this zone. So in my 2-3 years of trading, at least I've called BTC a short twice. This was last year when everyone was bullish. Also, we had a new HTH somewhere here. I just knew somehow we're coming down. So the question is, how long are we going to keep pushing up before we come down? It might be 6 months, it might be a year. But as bullish as everyone is, I'm still big on shorts. I have like this strong conviction that we're going to come back here to this zone, the 60k zone. If we touch this zone, then I can be looking out for buys. But at the moment, it still sells and big on. But then there's not really much of an entry at the moment. If there is a confirmation to sell, to short the market, then I'll definitely take it. And if there's any reason to update your probably a change of bias or something on the long run, I'll definitely do that. But at the moment, we should be looking out for sales. The only question is, how long are we going to keep buying for before the sales come? And since we didn't have a bull run last year, all seasons didn't kick in last year, we should be looking at something like that this year. But question is, how long before we come down? So